Hello, dear listeners. Welcome you all on the virtual platform of Shiva Shiksha Sadan. Let's continue the chapter The Tiger King by Kalki. As I told you earlier, that after getting married, the Maharaja started killing tigers in his father-in-law's kingdom. He killed 5 or 6 tigers on his every visit, and thus he killed 99 tigers. But one was still left, and the tiger population in his father-in-law's kingdom also got extincted. Now there was no sign of tigers anywhere. Maharaja could not bear it anymore. So he ordered to double the land tax and also dismissed some of his men. Some villagers told Maharaja that there was a tiger who was eating sheep. But when Maharaja went for tiger hunt, he couldn't find it. Then the Maharaja got very angry. He ordered that he would not leave the forest until he would kill the 100th tiger. So he called his Diwan and ordered him to arrange a tiger for him. And he instructed him that if he would not arrange the tiger, then the results would be catastrophic, means very devastating. Now, Maharaja was having no option. That is why he arranged a tiger for Maharaja from People's Park, Madras. One night he took that tiger to the forest and left him there. Next day, Maharaja went for tiger hunt, and the tiger was standing in front of him. The Maharaja became very happy. He took his men for hunt and he shot the tiger, but it missed the tiger. It means he missed his aim. Maharaja didn't notice that. He went from there after ordering that the carcass or the dead body of the tiger should be taken in the procession in the city. He was overjoyed with happiness that he had completed his mission. When the Maharaja had gone, then his servants went to notice the tiger, which was alive. Maharaja men knew about it, but they feared to tell the Maharaja, then they may lose their jobs. So, due to fear of losing their jobs, they killed that tiger themselves. One of the hunters targeted that tiger and killed him. But Maharaja didn't know that he still has one tiger left to be killed. Thank you very much for listening. We'll continue in the next lecture.